Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Excel 7. Myself Akshay, and today we will learn VLOOKUP and how to avoid common mistakes in VLOOKUP. This function is commonly used in Excel. Let's see its syntax. So VLOOKUP syntax includes lookup value, which is asking what are you looking for, the table array, where are you looking for, column index number, what do you want to return, and the fourth, which is optional, precise or approximate. We will see both with an examples ahead. Before starting, let's understand what is VLOOKUP. The VLOOKUP function always looks up a value in the leftmost column of a table and returns the corresponding value from column to the right. So this is the table of India Entertainment Private Limited employee details table. So here we would like to find salary of employee code ABC002. So as we discussed, the my employee code is left inside of the table and salary is right inside of the table. So we can easily write a formula VLOOKUP. My lookup value is ABC002 and I will select array from B9 to H24. So if you see below small box with the 16R multiplied by 7C, it is nothing but the 16 rows and 7 column. So you can utilize this 7 in column index number. So I put comma 7 comma 0. Good. So we can match our result ABC matching with 25146. So let's drag this formula below. Oh, we have two errors. So let's understand why this error happened. So if you click on the table array of our formula, our array is B11 to H26. But if we remember earlier when we wrote our formula, it's starting from B9 to H24. So very first we need to fix our table array. So fixing the table array, we will use F4 or put a dollar sign before the column or row. And now again I will drag this formula below. Oh, so still we have something need to find. So here let's check our lookup value ABC015 and here. So there is a space after 5 in our table. So might be HR put space after the employee code number. So we need to correct that. Great. So this is all about the VLOOKUP with the exact match. So these are the common mistakes happen. So what we can do to avoid such mistakes. So here I will show you the employee code 004 salary with a different table array and avoiding the mistakes. So very first we'll write our VLOOKUP for ABC004. I will select range from employee code to salary. 7 is my column index number and 0. So before completing it, again I will put here dollar sign. So this is the first way where we can fix our table array. Second, instead of using a particular range, I will prefer to select full column and press F4 to freeze your columns. Column index number is same. So this is the second way. Third way is giving name to our particular range. So here we'll select our range and we'll go to formulas, name manager, and we'll create a new name emp underscore d, and my range is b9 to h24. Okay, close it. Now we will utilize this name in our table array, comma. So instead of selecting a range, we will type emp, either we can press tab, comma, index number would be same, and 0. So this is the third way. And fourth way is creating a table. So I know where my data start and end, so I will select the full data and go to the insert. Will insert a table. My table has headers, yes, so I just check it out. And now we will utilize this table, but before writing a table we should know the name of the table. So just click anywhere in the table and you will able to see this is a table name. So here type of VLOOKUP, comma, and we'll type table 1, comma 7 0 for exact match. So these are the 4 ways to write exact VLOOKUP without any error. So I would like to share one more thing. Like suppose their new employee will join ABC016 here. So if you see, our range is automatically increased. Like I'll select the table 1, so it is selecting the new employee range also. So this is the benefit of using table in table array. So you no need to change your table array range. So that's all about the VLOOKUP with the exact match. Thank you.